Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to take a look at this rare vintage mousetrap that's a really great design. This is the Your Door RIP model mousetrap. It was first patented by LaPierre of Cottage Grove, Oregon on August 11, 1987. And looking at the patent drawings, you can tell a lot of thought was put into the mechanics of this trap. The instructions say the RIP is a 21st century mousetrap. No trap ever invented has all the features. They highlight that it's clean, safe, talk about baiting, it's humane for handling, durability, unique, and proudly invented and made in the USA. Now under humane, it has an interesting statement. It says it works under mild compression, no physical damage such as bleeding, and the RIP forces air from the mouse, and it takes a minute or less. I don't know how humane that is, but let's take a look at this trap. I'll show you how it works. Here's what the trap looks like. It's a black plastic box. On the back here we have a door that slides open. That's where you put your bait, a little peanut butter in there. The mouse will smell that, want to enter the trap. In the front here we have a door. When it's closed it says RIP. Now this whole lid comes up when you pull this plunger. Then when the mouse enters, it comes down, and that's not too much force, but it's enough to kill a mouse. Now the features of this trap I like the most are the adjustment knobs. Right here, adjust the sensitivity. To set it, you want to back that off. This one locks it into place. So you pull up the plunger, lock it into place. It's ready to go. Now you want to adjust the sensitivity so it's a hair trigger. So you gently pull this forward, twist it, and it should go off when you're right there. That's perfect. Now I'm just going to back that off a little bit, reset it. I'm really curious if this works, so let's go set this up in the barn with motion cameras, see if a mouse enters, wants to get the bait, steps on the pad, comes slamming down. This vintage RIP mousetrap really worked well. Last night we set it up in the barn. A mouse wanted to get the bait, entered the trap, stepped on the trigger, the plunger came down, and we got him. The best feature of this trap is this dial. It really lets you adjust the sensitivity to fit your needs. Also, it's a very safe trap. You're not going to smash your fingers, and you don't have to deal with dead mice. You just hold the trap over the garbage, pull up the plunger, give it a shake. That's a pretty flat mouse. I'm posting between 4 and 5 rodent trap videos a week, so if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned. I also have a new Mousetrap Monday app that gives you notifications when I load new videos and has fun games.